What's up guys, I'm Brian and you're watching On the Hunt. Today we're gonna go to IKEA to get some cabinets for this bare wall right here. And while I'm there, I'm gonna bring some pops with me. To show you how they fit in the cabinets. I already know which ones I'm gonna get, but maybe this will help you decide. I'll bring an empty box. I'll bring a pop protector. One in a stack. And one that is out of box. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, I'm back and we're at IKEA right now. So we're gonna go inside and take a look at the furniture. Alright, see ya. Okay guys, so we made it to the area where all the storage, bookcases, cabinets are. And this is one I want to show you real quick. This is the first one. It's called the Jimenez. Here are the dimensions. No, let's take a step back. That's about how big it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these shelves here and place the pops or boxes. I know earlier I said empty box, but I meant bare box. So it's pretty deep. Probably not efficient for displaying unless you're gonna store pops behind your display pops. So I'm gonna move on to another one here. This is the same thing, but double wide. Alright, so here's another bookcase called the Gersby, and it's pretty cheap. Not as tall as the Billy if you've ever seen the Billy in person. But let me show you how these display here. Still a ton of space. You're going to display them this way. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, bear pop in front. So that's actually pretty good if you're gonna do it that way. Alright, actually let me go back and this is what the whole thing looks like. If I were to guess, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could probably fit 6 across that way. This way you can fit, let's see, 3. Yeah, my son is doing something over here. Hold on, buddy. Alright. 4, so 4, and then you get a little bit of space. Not even enough to put that there. So I'm gonna move on to the Billy, and that's the wider one over here and taller, so this one could fit a lot. Let me move this and place these in here. So you get 3, 4, 5, and you'll be able to fit 6, and then you also still have a little bit of space there. So that's what that looks like. So 6 cross face forward. And if you go on sideways, you've got 3. Okay, let me do that. And that's actually a good depth too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you can fit 8 across that way. And they have a lot of adjustments so that you can buy extra shelves as well to display more than what they offer in just this one package. Okay, so this is the 31-inch wide Billy, I think? Yeah, 31 and a half. Hold on. Here we go. So that's this Billy. And they have thinner versions as well. But these don't hold too much. And I'll show you the whole thing in a minute. So that holds 3 perfectly. 3 facing forward. And you can buy doors for these things. So normally they just come without the door. Okay. And if we turn them this way, you get 1, 2, 3. I don't know if 4 is gonna fit. No, 4 won't fit, but maybe if you have all boxes without protectors. Let me see, Jason. There we go. and then same depth as the other ones. Okay, so here's another one called the Brimness. There's the dimensions, and we'll test this out. This one actually has 2 drawers at the bottom. What's up, baby? Okay. And it's actually pretty deep, so I don't know if that's too efficient. I know if you're storing pops, so I'll go ahead and just stop at that because it just seems like more space than you might need if you're just a pop collector. Great for other statues that are pretty thick. So I'll move on to this next one called the Finbee, and there's the dimensions. So the Finbee, this looks like the other one actually. This looks like the white one. I'll edit this out if it's the same thing. But so here we go. Keep that there. So we got 3 here on a shelf. Pretty good space. Still gives you room to put a pop there if you want. Alright, so we'll put, alright, try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and not room for 5. So 4 across that way. If we turn them this way, we can do, we still got room for a figure up front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can fit 6, and you actually have a tiny bit of room. I scooted them over. So that's another good option. Let's look for more. Okay, so here's another popular one. The Lava. Well, anyways, there's the dimensions. This is what it looks like. And let's see. Take one of the shelves here. Place pops on them. So you can get 3 face forward, full 3, 4, and I don't think we can fit another one there. No, you can't fit another one. Alright, so let's try it this way. You got a good room here for another pop. My son is playing with Jason right now, so he's not available for modeling. Alright, so you got 3, 4, 5, and 6 that way. So that's actually pretty good. But these shelves are not adjustable, so you gotta think about that too. Let's see if they stack on top of one another. Yes, they do. Okay, so you can stack them this way for the height on these shelves. So that's good. And I don't believe you can do it with a stack unless you can't. You probably can't do 2 stacks, but you can do a stack and a protector or a stack and a naked box. All right. Let's go on to the next one. Third one. Okay, this is the last popular one we're gonna look at, and it's the Dettol. Alright, so this is all glass. A lot of people use these for out of box, and they put the stands in here to the acrylic stands. So they are stair levels. I can show you what boxes look like in here, but it's not very efficient for an in-box collector. So we got 3 across. That's about all you can do there. You could probably figure out how to do more with it, and you can stack them up. But this is a good one for other statues and such. All right, I'll give you a whole look over here. All this storage. They have others, but some of them are super expensive. I'm down here right now, picking up all the stuff I'm getting. I got 2 of the Billies. I got 2 Bestas. I didn't show the Bestas, but the Bestas aren't really for the pops. They're for things that need a greater depth. So I'll get these things together, and then I'll bring them home and show you guys what I got. What's up, guys? I'm home now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these things together and put them up. done. So I'll put the shelves in here, and I had to take the shelves from this one here because I didn't have enough, but if you look, perfect fit. And this is how I'm going to display these, because this one right here is going to be the glow-in-the-dark bookshelf, and then over here I'll have all the rest. But these here, I didn't put the shelves in yet. I have glass shelves, and they're going to hold my bigger items, bigger collectibles on each end. As you can see, they're deeper. So let me get you a full shot here. There you go. That's it. So if you guys like this type of video, I know it's pretty long, but hopefully it helped y'all, and maybe make your decision on what you want to get to display your Pops, collectibles, what have you. Alright, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below of other things you want to see, maybe some comments on the setup here, or even things that you saw at IKEA that I showed you. And with that, I'm out. Peace.